So here I am with my new combos that I am delighted to share with you. Um, these are new combos for me, but also new shapes of the mugs that new concepts that I'm working on. Um, I like the curve, over here on the body of the mug, and also the curve going down with the carved areas and also on the handles. So let me know what you think of my new concepts because I do value your opinion. I try to answer all my comments, maybe not right away, but I always respond to comments. So let's start with the clay. The clay that I used, I have no clue of what it is because as you can see, I think it was given to me. It was a recycled clay, kind of marbled look, which I don't know whoever mixed it. I don't know if it was done on purpose or what it was, that it wasn't mixed well. So when I started to throw, because it is two different clay bodies, it was very hard to throw. One, I think the lighter one maybe was a smooth clay body. The other one had grog in it. So when you try to throw your wall, it's just not even. So it wasn't a good clay to throw. But anyways, I managed to throw the mugs and I was thrilled with the results because you can't really tell that that it wasn't that good on even like thicknesses, right? It's not even. But I like how it turned out. And because it had grog, I wanted to go a little heavier on my coats because, as you know, a clay that has more grog can sometimes leak if it's not fully vitrified. And because it was a new clay to me, I said I'd rather go heavier. I even clear glazed the bottom. Let's start with the inside. I did 3 coats of river birch. And look at how pretty it is. And then on the edge here, I kind of brushed, from Prisma Green, which is a spectrum. I just kind of cleaned the brush around the edge here and it dripped because I wanted that effect. And the Prisma Green over birch is beautiful. So that's something also to try in the future. But starting from the bottom here up is Dragon's Eye by Spectrum, which is new to me. These two are new. Prisma Green, they're all overlapping by a little bit, and I did on the wavy pattern. Then Ultra Turquoise by Western, which is a beautiful turquoise blue that I've been using now. It's a little finicky glaze, but it turned out really nice. And then just river birch right here. And you can see how it dripped over the turquoise and it made these almost like a caramel color over the turquoise blue. So that's really nice. And the river birch on dark clay has these kind of blue tones that shows through. And that's what I used here. 2 coats of river birch on the textured area and also on the handle. The bird is ultra turquoise, and look how cute. So anyways, it turned out very comfortable to hold on the handle. So I'm definitely gonna be making more of these. And let me know what you think. It's just beautiful in person. I don't know if it's showing through the colors. That's why I came outside, because I thought that's when you can really see the color, the true colors of the glaze and how they look on a dark clay body. Also a new concept is this cute Parrot mug, and I'm going to be making more because it's great for holding it. It feels really comfortable. And I figure I can make parrots, toucans, different birds in here with the handle, with the branch. I call my branch handle, all carved, and it feels very comfortable. Kind of the same shape as the other one, a little bit taller this one, but it has the curve here and the curve on the bottom, all carved. So what did I use here? On this one, I did 2 coats of honey flux, 1 coat of river birch, and then cleaning the brush here at the edge, I did ruby red, which is bots. Most of these were bots that I use on the outside. So I covered the whole body here with opal by bots. Then I did about maybe 1 inch to 2 inches of ruby red, kind of like going like this. Here I did it less, you know, and then I increased the depth here, coming up again on this side. Ruby red, then carnelian yellow, which is almost like an orange instead of a yellow, coming down, overlapping by maybe 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. I wanted that overlap because I wanted to look kind of gradient looking. And then over that was Bots Plus, which is a flux. And look how it pulled the 2 colors together. So I really like that look. I wasn't crazy about the opal here. On the dark clay, it looks kind of a grayish, creamy color. Usually it's really white, the opal, but here I wasn't crazy about it. But the flux, the Bots Plus, looks really nice. So the light green was Heliodor. Then the purple was, it's called Amethyst. It's also by Bots. It faded a little bit. Sorry, I have an airplane coming through. On the bird, it is hollow, by the way. All my sculpted pieces are hollow unless they're very little, very tiny, but this is hollow. It is carnelian yellow, then ruby red on his back, then going to sapphire blue. So I made that transition here, and then I put the Bots Plus to carry the glazes one over the other. Then Heliodor, which is the light green on the wings, and on his chest I also did is carnelian yellow up to here, and then ruby red down farther. So I thought this combo was more like a fall colors. Very pretty, but I am happy with the concepts, and so I will be making more. In fact, I do have one that I did just like this with a parrot, but on porcelain frost. So I might try to do the same glaze combo, and then we can compare side by side and see the difference, because it looks, all the glazes look so different on a dark clay body as opposed to a light, you know, especially porcelain, they look brighter. So I'm curious to see what they will look like on porcelain. So I will share the results. I will be having a small kiln opening soon. These will be available on my shop update, maybe with a little discount, because they are introductory. Every time I do like a prototype or introductory pieces, I do discount them, especially because of the clay. It's unknown to me, but so far so good. So thanks again. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.